Think bulldogs are just lazy couch potatoes? 1,000 years ago, these pups were warriors, bred to fight bulls in England's brutal arenas. They were tough, fearless, and strong enough to take on animals 10 times their size. But in 1835, bull baiting was banned. No more blood sport. So breeders softened them up, turning fighters into the lovable, squishy-faced goofballs we adore today. Today's bulldogs are gentle, loyal, and a little lazy. But don't be fooled, they've got a gladiator past. Oh, and they've got cousins too, the athletic American, the bat-eared Frenchie, and the rare Old English bulldog. From bull rings to beanbags, bulldogs have come a long way.